Okay, a new day and another update for Nothing phones. You guys must have been seeing that Nothing is rolling out quick updates for their devices, and today we have another update for Nothing Phone 2A, which brings the support of AI and few more optimizations. We'll talk about every change in this video. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. So here I have my Nothing Phone 2A. If I show you the software information going to About section, the current build is Nothing OS 2.5.A, which brings 1st April 2024 security patch. And if you guys haven't received the OT update, you can just go to the About section and tap on the software information. So this was the update which I received via OTA, and you can see the changes which says ChatGPT integration, some camera improvements and other optimization. Update size was 135 MB over Nothing OS 2.5.5. And guys, now before moving ahead, we have 87% of users who haven't subscribed to our channel but they do watch our videos. So if you guys find our videos helpful to you, do consider subscribing and also press the bell icon to get notified whenever we upload a new video. So as per the changelogs, first change is related to AI integration, aka ChatGPT integration. So for this guys, make sure you have downloaded the ChatGPT application from the Play Store, and there are few features which will only work with the paid subscription of ChatGPT 4. So keep this thing also in mind. First integration related to ChatGPT is in the Nothing X application, where you can start the voice conversation with ChatGPT, and right now it only works with Nothing Ear and Nothing Ear A. We have Nothing Ear 2, so it doesn't work with that, but as per the changelogs, soon other Nothing products will get the support of voice conversation. Now you'll also get new widgets of ChatGPT. Going to widget section, here you can see we have the ChatGPT and there are two widgets. One is multiple and the second one is single. I'll select the first one and show you guys what all you get here. So in the multiple widget, you have three options which you can use. On the first one, if you tap, the ChatGPT application will pop up. Second one is voice search, so you can use the voice command to chat with ChatGPT. And using the third one, you can take pictures and directly upload to ChatGPT application. Later on, you can ask anything about that particular picture. So these are the three widgets which you'll find it in the ChatGPT integration. And talking about the second widget, which is a single widget, and here you can choose any one of the widgets like voice search, text or image. So depending on what you use most, you can add that widget on the home screen. And later on, ChatGPT integration is also done with the screenshot. So if I take a screenshot here, you'll see a new icon here on the top side. If I tap on that, the screenshot will be directly sent to ChatGPT and I can ask ChatGPT to do anything related to that screenshot. So for example, I have taken a screenshot. I'll ask ChatGPT to extract content. So I gave a command extract text. And guys, remember one thing, this feature will only work if you have ChatGPT 4 subscription. So you can see ChatGPT have extracted the text from that particular screenshot. So this is another integration related to ChatGPT. Now talking about the camera changes, so let me show you the camera app version here first. Current version is 0.41.00 and the previous camera app version was 0.27.05. So there's a slight upgrade, and we can also see some changes mentioned by Nothing related to camera application. First change related to camera. Now Nothing claims they did optimize the color consistency in the main and wide angle camera by adjusting the white balance and colors. Here are the photos which we clicked before updating the device in ultra wide and with the main lens. Here we did not use HDR mode. Also, all the photos were clicked in the similar lighting condition, and there is a slight difference in the color output in the pictures clicked before and after updating. Before updating, color shifting was noticed in the pictures, but now it looks identical, and also the white balancing looks promising after this update. Nothing also claims to improve brightness in portrait mode in HDR scenes, so I made sure under artificial lighting HDR was working. And then we clicked photos, and here I noticed that details getting washed out due to the camera trying to improve the brightness. In the portrait mode, now we can also see slight improvements in the noise after this update, and I can also see skin smoothing after this update, but still I'll test outdoors during good lighting condition and keep you guys posted in a review video whether or not camera actually improved. So stay tuned for the in-depth review video. And another noticeable change you'll see in the camera app opening performance, and actually guys, they did work out on it, and now camera app opens quite fast. Under other optimization, they have optimized the visual display of battery levels in battery widget. I personally wasn't able to see any noticeable difference, but they might have done some optimizations. Later, they have enhanced the power saving mode to ensure vibrations for calls and notification remains active. I'm not sure whether it was an issue because I don't use my device in enhanced power saving mode. But if you guys had, let me know in the comment section below. After that, they have also integrated AI powered algorithm for a smarter lighting adjustment for auto brightness. And here also, I did compare before and after. There wasn't any noticeable change. We might get to see some changes once we start using the device, because device might take some time to adapt to my brightness usage pattern. And later improved call stability to ensure more reliable connection. Here also I never faced any kind of issues. After that, they have increased the smoothness when swiping down to expand the quick setting tiles. And here I did notice slight improvements. I won't say it's now faster, but the animations looks promising after this update. You can also see the video which was recorded before updating. And at last, they have improved the fluidity when unlocking the device after being idle. Right now I can't test this thing because I have been using the device continuously after this update, but we'll keep you guys posted in a review video. So guys, these were all the changes and new add-ons on Nothing Phone 2a with Nothing OS 2.5.a. If you guys have any kind of questions, let me know in the comment section below. I'll try to take your important questions in the review video. As of now, only this much in this video. I hope you guys gonna like the video. If you like the video, then do give us a thumbs up. And also, if you're new to our channel, then do not forget to subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.